Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install WinRAR on your PC or laptop. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, WinRAR is a popular file compression and extraction tool. It allows you to compress large files into smaller sizes, and it also helps you extract zip, RAR, and many other compressed file formats. It's one of the must-have tools for any Windows user. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Now open your web browser and search for WinRAR. Open the first website. If you're using 64-bit Windows, click on WinRAR x64, and file will start downloading. Once the setup file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and open the WinRAR installer. Now follow SLL steps. To test it, just right-click on any file. You'll now see new WinRAR options. That means WinRAR is working perfectly, and that's how you easily download and install WinRAR on your Windows 10 or 11 computer.